Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka uma no umbuka wigie gikuo giki kia Gilbert Ojwang. Police Constable James Mukhwana niwe waumbura mayothe igi no warutire order iria acungiririe gikuo kia Gilbert Ojwang on June 7. In his statement kuri ruhonge rwa guthurima mitugo ya borithi Alitoa, Mukhwana korirwo akianika OCS Samson Talam akiuga ari na orders kuma kuri Deputy Inspector General wa borithi DIG Lagat. Mukhwana in his statement augire he was ordered kuhura Ojwang wona arehwo cell. Mukhwana aumbura maundu maya mothe in his second statement kuri Alitoa akiuga in his first statement ni arahenanitie niguo gukorwo akihithirira uma mari na maabitha angi a borithi. Statement ino ya keri ya Constable Mukhwana uria uranyititwo gikuruhanio na gikuo giki riu yanika live DIG Lagat na OCS Talam na kumakuruhania na njira ya kuruta orders cia what led to death ya Albert Ojwang. OCS Talam ni aregutanitie na murder allegation na ciiko ciothe cingikorwo ciacungiririe gikuo giki kia Ojwang. Mukhwana in his statement arauga etirwo to the office of OCS Talam on the night of June 7 na allegedly told to follow a directive kuma office ya DIG Lagat. Directive yari ya kudiscipline mufugwa warehagwo in the cell. Mukhwana akiuga Talam warned him about questioning orders na utuko ucio niguo Ojwang ahurirwo na OCS Talam confirmed Ojwang was the man to be disciplined. Mukhwana in his statement arauga thaa na dagika 20 nirio Ojwang akorirwo akiri booked into the cell and shortly after makianjia kumuhura makiri na afugwa angi ana akauga ati makorirwo makiheo ciringi 2,000 cia kugura njohi. Mukhwana akoretwo Capital Police Station kuria aumbura uma wake wothe wigie gikuo giki kia Ojwang akiuga Ojwang ndagereire kuragwo orders ciari tu akorwo akihurwo instructions akoretwo akiuga ciumite office ya OCS Talam through lawyers ake makorwo makihoya aigwo witness protection makiuga ni agereire gukorwo akirekererio na bodi kuona ari tayari gukorwo akiaria uma wothe wa ndeto ino.
He was called into the office of the OCS alongside the deputy OCS, and he was told that there is a task that he has to undertake, that kuna mtu analetwa, to use the words of one James Mukhwana,